In some countries beta usually power changes between two main parties. So such a party system is called two party system. Which type of party system? Two party system, and example is the USA, United States of America, and the UK, United Kingdom. Okay, so in several parties, okay, if several parties compete for power and more than two parties have a reasonable chance of power coming in power and either on their own strength or in alliance with other, that is called as the multi-party system. When multi-party system is there, when several parties compete for power, that is called as the multi-party system. And example is India. India is the example of multi-party system. When several party in multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting election and winning power, it is called as a alliance or a front. Clear beta? Now next is about the national parties. National parties. Every party is in the country beta has to register with the election commission. It offers some facilities for large and established party. In the election, if the election commission has laid down detailed criteria for the proportion of votes, seats that a party must get in order to be recognized party, so the party that secures at least 6% of vote, okay, 6% of votes in an election of the legislative assembly or a state and wins at least 2 states, okay, 2 seats, is recognized as the state party. Okay, what is this? This is state party. Next, a party that secures at least 6 of the total votes in Lok Sabha, 6% in Lok Sabha. Earlier where it was recognized, where it was securing in the legislative assembly. Now it is in Lok Sabha. Okay, if it is securing 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha or assembly elections in 4 states. Now in how many states? 4 states, and win at least 4 seats. Okay, from 4 states, 4 seats. So that is recognized as the national party. Now our next topic is major national parties in India. There are 7 recognized national parties in our country in 2018. How many from 2018? 7. Okay, 7 national parties in 2018 onward. Okay, so first party is All India Trinamool Congress, AITC. Okay, when it was launched on 1st January 1998. Under whose leadership it was launched? It was launched under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. Okay, when it came to be known as the National Party from 2016 onward. Its symbol, okay, symbol of this party is flowers and grass. Okay, committed to this party has committed to secularism and the federalism. Has been in power in West Bengal. In West Bengal since 2011 and has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general elections, okay, in the general elections of 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, and making it the fourth largest party in the Lok Sabha. Fourth largest party. Fourth largest party in Lok Sabha.